Alright, this is the elevator here at Menards, here in Germantown, Wisconsin. And guess what it is? After it's been a few weeks, or several weeks, it's finally running. It's a brand new Schumacher. This thing is brand spanking new. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Here at 2. 1. Lantern stair. Let's get a cab view now. It definitely does have a nice cab. As you can see, there are no advertisements yet because this thing just started running. This thing runs pretty smooth actually for a Schumacher at Menards. Black communicator, sees buttons, 45 horsepower capacity. Go for another ride. Again, this is also this is a Schumacher elevator. Wow, this thing runs pretty smooth, like I said. Here back at 2, we'll ring the bell. There you go. Overall, I gotta say, this thing is a very nice elevator for Schumacher. Even for a brand spanking new Menards elevator. It's just like with the other locations here in the state of Wisconsin that have Schumachers. It's just like this one's just like the others that have them. You know, you guys named it already. Alrighty. There it goes. And that'll be it. I believe this is Menards in Wisconsin's 17th Menards elevator that is a Schumacher. All right, that'll be it.